Oh. No ban. No ban. I know. I'm not an arm ban. I'm a no ban. No ban. Okay.
I don't know. I'm gonna stop it. I'm doing to me.
What? Oh. Good job. Good job. No, him.
Can we shoot into other rooms over there?
Oh, no.
As long as you're over the top. As long as you're over the top. Alright, actually, I think you can shoot in between two. You can shoot anywhere. Yeah, light him up, dude. Hey, you can shoot anywhere. Hey, you can shoot anywhere.
Oh.
Yeah, I think
God damn it, Corey.
you don't have room. Are there guys around here?
Yeah, they were.
Where are they?
Look left.
Second one right next to you. Oh, shit! No. Just keep going forward.
It's more.
More or less?
It's more.
Trying to protect the hallway too. See your head in there.
Look him. Jump. Please.
Bang! Oh, Jesus, that's not 10 feet. How the fuck did I say bang?
Bang. I'm not on your team, bang.
My bad.
It's okay. It's cool. Right there, right there. Awesome.
I think that was more than 10 feet, I don't know. I'll follow that. Good man! Deadly! Good man!
Commander. Commander. Oh, no, you got me. Ah! Are you okay?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Did you see that?